Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances, and we have an exciting product to review, the CUCKOO CR-0675FG, a 12-cup fuzzy logic rice cooker. We found this fantastic rice cooker online, and you can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. First off, let's talk about what the CUCKOO CR-0675FG actually is. This is not just any rice cooker. It's a Micom fuzzy logic rice cooker designed to make cooking rice and a variety of other dishes effortless. With a capacity of 6 cups uncooked, which translates to 12 cups of perfectly cooked rice, it's ideal for families and gatherings alike. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its ease of use and cleaning. The non-stick inner pot ensures that your rice doesn't stick, making both cooking and cleanup a breeze. It also boasts a self-cleaning setting and a removable lid, which means you can focus more on enjoying your meals rather than stressing over cleanup. Now, let's dive into the versatility of this appliance. The CUCKOO rice cooker comes with 10 different cooking modes, allowing you to prepare not just white rice but also brown rice, oats, and even baby food. Whether you're a busy parent looking to whip up nutritious meals for your little ones or a rice lover wanting to explore different varieties, this cooker has you covered. Its adjustable settings and user-friendly controls make it easy to switch between modes, so you can experiment and find what you love. One of the features that sets this rice cooker apart is its fuzzy logic technology. This intelligent technology automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature based on the type of rice and desired texture. This means you can say goodbye to burnt rice and hello to perfectly cooked grains every single time. It truly takes the guesswork out of cooking. Now, who is this rice cooker suitable for? If you're part of a busy family, a student juggling classes, or even someone who just prefers the convenience of an automated cooking process, this rice cooker is designed for you. It's especially great for those who often host gatherings and need to make large batches of rice quickly. The quick white rice setting allows you to have perfectly cooked rice ready in as little as 28 to 36 minutes, which is a huge time saver. Practical use cases for the CUCKOO CR-0675FG are endless. Imagine coming home after a long day at work and having a warm pot of rice waiting for you, thanks to the handy timer and warming mode features. You can also use it to prepare a hearty breakfast with oatmeal or even try your hand at making risotto or soups. The possibilities are as broad as your culinary imagination. In conclusion, the CUCKOO CR-0675FG rice cooker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its ease of use, cleaning capabilities, versatile cooking options, and intelligent technology make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who enjoys cooking or simply wants to make their life a little easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.